Hey guys, whether you have a Desert Eagle, whether you have a Glock, whether you have a SIG, whether you have a AK-47, whether you have a machine gun, whatever part, whatever type of gun you have, or any kind of metal device, there's a company, titaniumgun.com, which is coatingservices.group, which does awesome work. I'm just going to do a quick review of some of the guns they've done for me. Of course, my videos have been multiple places on the internet, but this is a new video, and I wanted to go and give you some information about this company, coatingservicesgroup.com, metal coatings for defense, marine, medical, dental, firearms, industrial, and aerospace. So without ado, let's get started on the video so I can show you actually what we have. Okay guys, and today I wanted to go ahead and start the review. There's two guns here. There's a Desert Eagle 50 caliber Tiger Desert Stripe, and there's a Glock 2145 ACP. Both have a titanium nitride treatment, and I'm going to go through in depth on both guns and show you the parts that have been plated on it. Actually, it's coated, it's not plated. They do various other colors. These are the ones that I got done. Very happy. And let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. Like I said, Desert Eagle is a 50 caliber. They make it in 44, 357. They also make a 440 carbine. The barrels are interchangeable on all the 50s. If you have a 50 caliber bolt, you can put a 440 carbine in it and a 44 Magnum and a 50. If you have the 357 bolt, you can only put the 357 in it. So if you plan on getting a different gun like a 44, you're better off just buying the whole gun, because the bolt assembly and all the parts, you'll probably spend about $400 or $500. This particular one is the 50 caliber. You notice it does have the muzzle brake, which is an extra item. You can send your gun up to Magnum Research and they will put a muzzle brake on it. Let me just go show you the gun is empty. See, the gun is empty. And we'll put it down. Okay, let's continue the review. On the gun itself, it has a muzzle brake, which is held in by 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Muzzle brake adds approximately a little over an inch to the length of the barrel. The barrel is 6 inches, so you would say it's 7, but it's really not. The barrel is still a 6 because the inch is just a compensation. It really doesn't add much to the gun itself, just for controlling the gases. Compensation actually keeps your gun on target. So when you fire your gun, you're going to get a recoil up like this, or a muzzle flip. What this helps is it keep it steady. Their particular ports are on each side. They don't have any on the top. I don't know why, but it does do their controlling. It will make it a lot louder. I'd say it makes it about 35% louder at the range. So if there's somebody next to you, this is going to be a lot louder than it is because of the gases escaping. The gun itself, this is a few models they do make. The USA model has the railed barrel, as you can see. This comes with regular iron sights. However, this gun has been pretty much coated with a titanium gold everywhere, so your sights, if you bought it, would be black, and some other complements. It does have a slide release on one side, a magazine release on one side. This is your takedown button. The takedown, all you have to do is you press, this will, you slide out your barrel. This will remove your barrel. Okay. Your actual slide mechanism, you flip your gun over, hold it right there, pull forward. That will remove your slide. Upon taking out the recoil spring, take that out, lay that to the side. You have your gas check valve. This is your slide. And here is your bolt. It's a rotating bolt. It works excited like this. So it works. Okay. You have a safety. You have a regular firing pin in the gun. The frame is a pretty standard frame. Pull it back. It just fires by the trigger pulling this bar. Try to keep it close. And that fires it. Not much in there at all. The gun has a locking lug, you can see there, that locks the recoil springs in and allows, pretty straightforward. I particularly got this gun plated in titanium, and it pretty much got a lot of the parts. The barrel, of course, the slide, the sights. I got even down to the recoil springs, you can see in here where that's titanium. I got the gas check, the firing pin, more internal parts like these here, up in here, different parts that they normally don't do, all the pins. Let's go and put it back together. Putting it back together is pretty simple. You simply put back in your gas check valve, you lay your recoil spring right in there. There's a little groove for that. Take your slide and frame like this. Just wiggle those springs if they get out of the way there. Flip it over. And you want to go like this so it seats in there. Good. Put the seat. See how it seats in there? And that's how that mechanism. Let me just show you. This is how this works. This here locks them in. So let's see how that turns. How that locks them. See? To get it back out, you have to do that. Okay. Then you're going to want to take your barrel, put it in like this, push it lightly against there, and flip up. That reassembles your gun. Okay. Gun itself, I did get the magazines done, also in titanium tiger, because I like the guns to match. They do the base plates. I'd highly recommend it. There's a bunch of great people out there. Jeff Grant, John Salazar, Stephanie is the administrator there that handles all the paperwork and everything. There's a lot of great people out there that do a lot of great work. And like I say, this is just one of the items that I had done, my Desert Eagle. And I have a big surprise coming from everybody, so keep an eye out. There's going to be a big surprise coming. Something new is going to be coming, and I know everybody will get a kick out of it. Thanks a lot. I'm looking for new subscribers. My other channel actually is gone because of some crap with YouTube, but thanks a lot everybody looking here, and let's go ahead and start the next item. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I want to continue on with the video. This is the second gun that I got. Just about all the plating you see here, or coating it's called, titanium nitride by titaniumgun.com or coatingservicesgroup.com. And like I say, there's great people out there that will help you. Let me just show you the gun is empty. Okay, this is a Glock 21SF, and just about all the parts you see on here are titanium coated that I sent it out. Let's go ahead and take it apart and show you some of the parts in here that are done. Okay. First we'll start on the frame, and we'll give you a little close up. You see on the frame the locking block, the slide release, the trigger bar, the trigger, the housing ejector, the connector, the extended takedown lever, the two locking block pins, the one rear trigger housing, the housing pin. I have my cider lock safety, which has also been done. Pretty much everything on the frame. When we look at the slide, okay, I have a recoil spring and rod. This is a custom recoil rod that is titanium gold. It's plated. We pull out the barrel. This is the barrel of the gun, which is ported, and they did the coating on it, titanium nitride gold, polished. This is the slide. Got a lot of fingerprints on it right now, but this is also in titanium nitride gold. Okay, I also had them do the internals of the gun, the slide actually. Open this up. You'll see that the striker has been done. Okay. You'll see that the ejector rod has been done. Also, you'll see that the ejector and the safety plunger have been done. So I have just about all the parts done on this gun, and I'm very, very happy with the work they did. Very happy indeed. They do great work. It's a great team of people out there. I'm telling you, they just, you know, they do quality work, and they really listen. They do quite a bit of work on a lot of the guns you see on the internet. They do a lot of plating. They do medical stuff and surgical stuff. So by means, they do more than just gun finished. You know, so they do more than just that. Okay. But I just wanted to show you some of their quality work that they do. Great team of people out there. I have a big surprise coming for everybody. They're doing a project for me, which if it turns out nice, everybody will really get a kick out of it. But I wanted to show you, and the gun, you know, functions flawless. This is not titanium. This is just a brass base. I wish I could get a metal bottom floor plate, and I would plate it in the coated, actually, because it's a coated surface. But I just want to show you, and that is the second gun that I got done by Coating Services Group in California. And I hope this video was educational, and please subscribe, and if you like it, please comment. I could use all the subscribers I could get. Thanks a lot.